Yes, please do. Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Take your mic first. Could I have your resume?
Yes, sir, sure.
Now give an introduction, please.
So I'm Dipanshu, and now I had completed my 10 plus 2 from CBSE, and now I'm pursuing my BCA from IGNOU. And about my hobby or interest, so my hobbies are to play cricket, and another one is to listen music.
So, Mr. Dipanshu, what's your profile?
My profile is to get a job in programming field.
Programming.
Yes.
Why did you come, Dipanshu?
To get a job, sir, here.
Okay, to get a job.
Yes, sir.
What kind of qualities you are having? What kind of qualities you are having?
Okay, sir. So the qualities which I am having, that are whatever I do with my 100% mindset. I have my great focus on everything. If I say to you that if I want to do work on a particular moment, so I can.
As you
focus on
mentioned
this.
that you love to learn English these days.
Yes, sir.
May I know what kind of thing you have learned till now in English?
So, sir, I like to learn the communication skills first of all, because in the English is a language, and to speak any language we need communication skills by which we can convey our message to another one, and that's what.
How your English is spoken can help you in future?
Sir, the thing is that English is very repetitive language, and it is global language too. If I talk about my English, so whenever I want to convey, whenever I want to converse with any foreign member or foreign member of any citizen, any country, at that moment I can contact with them.
Have you done this before?
Yes, sir, I have talked with my foreign friends, which is I got them on my online app, which is Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
So, Dipanshu, as it is written in your resume, as you have done means 2.5 year diploma in programming language.
Yes, sir.
So, may I know what is Python?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Python is a high level language, and in the Python it means Python is you can say that for human beings it is very low level language. It is easy to understand, it is easy to do. That is Python, sir.
And one more also it is written that you also have learned means how to create means how to develop an AI application. Do you know something about AI if you want to elaborate something on
Yes,
AI?
I want to know about. I want to discuss about AI. That is, AI is artificial intelligence, and that AI means whatever you want to do. You want to do with AI, you can do. For example, if you want AI to make any website for you, so AI can make you. Means AI doesn't need any command. AI doesn't need anything. It works automatically. Just the thing is that you have to give instruction. What do you want in the result? The same thing it will do for you.
Dipanshu, we would like to know by your side any 3 major problems which you often see in your locality.
Okay.
And
sir.
if you had power, how would you convey and how would you address those problems are you facing these days?
So first of all, that I can say that water problem. Whenever rain happens, so at that moment I can say that at my locality, on the roads I can see the water problem.
Okay.
Another thing is that electricity. Nowadays in the summer season, electricity goes sometimes. So that's a second problem. And third one I cannot decide, sir, because I don't have any third problem in it.
Means as you mentioned, I think you live in Delhi.
Yes, sir, at Delhi.
So
In Delhi.
I don't think so that in Delhi we have that electricity problem.
No, sir, I'm not saying that in whole Delhi. Where I live in Delhi locality, that is there I am facing these problems.
Why should I hire you?
So, because I have myself good mindset, and that is the main power of mine. Why? Because whenever a person has a good mindset, so mindset can make your work good. That's what I can say, sir.
Don't you have good strategies which another employee have?
Sir, now I cannot say why, because first of all I need to see the work. On the behalf of work, I will make my strategies. On the behalf of that I can say. Otherwise now I don't have any my work, so I cannot say anything.
Okay, if you are given any work in the company, so can you do any work in efficient manner as well as in effective
Sure, sir,
manner?
no doubt, sir, I will do.
Okay, as a Dipanshu, where do you see yourself after 5 years from now?
Sir, I want to be as like I said you, that programmer. I want to see myself as a programmer again, but the thing is that I want to be permanent in any company.
As you mentioned that you are doing programming,
Yes.
and that you are looking for a future. Don't you think that because of AI would directly impact in your field?
Yes, sir, it will impact. The thing is that how AI was made because of the programming, and AI also needs the programmer how to handle AI. If the AI is facing any type of problem, so programmer are the ones who who makes AI perfect. So that's why I can say that in my future I will be doing work in that. So
What do you understand by web designer and web developer?
So first of all, web developer. Web developer is a person who makes any website for any company or for any field or for any NGO. And web designer is that person who handles any website. and who designed the website and how it will look beautiful, how can I add image in that. So that's the work of designer.
Do you have computer knowledge? If you ask,
Yes sir, you can ask. I
do
have.
you differentiate between application software and system software?
Yes sir, application softwares are those software on which we do download from any extension. Extension means any browser,
Yes.
and then we download it and then we use it. That is application software. And system software is that whenever we open any operating system means window. So with window that we get, that is software system. For example, Recycle Bin, it is a software system, sir.
Okay, thank you.
So Dipanshu, in which you are strong and weak? In which thing you are strong?
Sir, in education or what?
Anything, whatever.
Sir, in a strong, I am strong in my computer field, sir.
And
And about my weakness, so I can say I am weak at in politics.
Okay, if you get a chance as to be a Prime Minister of India and you became, so what would you do after becoming?
If I get a chance to be a prime minister, so with my prime minister post, I will get my powers too. And with those powers, with those reputation, I can do my work perfectly. Why? Because I will get my team of IAS officers. I'm not saying that I will learn from them. The thing is that they will work for me. I will just see the work, how they are doing. In that manner, I will give them instruction. I need this work done today. I need this work done today. So I will give the instruction, and on the behalf of that, I can
So
do
in
my
the
work.
beginning, you already have mentioned that you are doing programming.
Yes, sir.
So can you define what is domain?
Yes, so domain is a one type of identity of any website. If you want to see that my website should go in a worldwide, so you need a domain name. For example, if you want to see your website for a whole world, that is .com. If you want to see your website in India only, that is .in. And everything has a different. For example, organization .org for Pakistan.
Thank you.
.pk, yes.
As you mentioned that you are not good at politics,
Yes, sir.
so you might be a voter. Means you might
Yes,
vote
sir, I am voter, sir.
for country.
Yes, sir.
So as you have inadequate knowledge of the politics, then how would you vote and how would you get to know about that who is best candidate for my locality?
Okay, sir. So, sir, I believe in my on my eyes. Whatever I see in my locality, I see that which party is doing work. I give them vote on the behalf of the post. If the vote is about CM, so I will see if the CM is doing work in my locality, not in whole Delhi, in my locality. So I will give him or her vote. Otherwise, don't. I see the things.
So which movie did you watch last?
Sir, sorry, sir, I didn't watch any movie last. I watched my movie. You can say, sir, in 2018, and I
In
forgot
which
it.
you are interested?
Sir, I
Except
like
programming.
Yes, I like to watch YouTube videos.
What kind of videos?
Sir, stand-up comedy I like.
Okay. So just we will call you
Okay, sir.
After some time.
After some time.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
That's all for today.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You may go.